Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be discussing on how to make a week-long eating effortless with quick and easy meal prep. Meal prep can save you time, money and effort throughout the week, and I will show you how to do it in 45 minutes or less. So with that said, let's get right into the video. The first step is to plan your meals. Before you start meal prepping, it's essential to plan your meals. This will ensure that you will have everything you need and can make the most of your time. Take a few minutes to decide what you want to eat for the week. Write down the ingredients and make a shopping list. The second step is to gather your supplies. So the next thing to do is to gather all your supplies you will need for meal prep. This includes containers for storing your meals, cooking utensils, a cutting board and a sharp knife. You will also want to make sure your kitchen is clean and well organized before you begin. So the third step is to cook your protein. Cooking your proteins first is a great way to save time. You can cook them all at once and they will be ready to go when you need them. Consider baking chicken breast or cooking a ground turkey on the stove. You can also prepare hard-boiled eggs or tofu for a plant-based protein option. And the fourth step is to chop your veggies. While your proteins are cooking, chop your veggies. This is another time-saving tip because you can chop all your veggies at once and store them in containers in the fridge. This way, you will have them ready to go when you need them. And besides, if you are getting some valuable stuff in this video, make sure to give this video a like, comment #effortless week-long eating below, and then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that each time I drop new videos giving valuable stuff like this one, you will be the first person to watch, learn and implement what I teach there in the video. So with that said, let's get back into the video. And the fifth step is to prep your carbs. So it is time to prep your carbs. Consider cutting a big batch of quinoa, rice or sweet potatoes. This can be used as a base for your meals throughout the week. You can also prep some whole grains pasta and couscous for a quick and easy meals. And the sixth step is to assemble your meals. Now it is time to assemble your meals. Take your pre-cooked proteins, veggies, carbs, and then mix and match them to create different meals. You can add some sauce or dressing to add flavor and variety. And the seventh step, which is the last step, is to store your meals. Finally, store your meals in containers in the fridge. Make sure to label them with the date and content so that you can easily find them throughout the week. When you are ready to eat, simply reheat your meals in the microwave or on the stove and you are good to go. And that is it. However, meal prepping can seem daunting, but with these quick and easy tips, you can make a week-long eating effortless. By planning your meals, gathering your supplies, cooking your proteins, chopping your veggies, prepping your carbs, assembling your meals and storing them, you will be well on your way to healthy and effortless week of eating. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.